So if you're looking for a business that you can start in this 2025, then make sure you watch this video, because this business idea I'm going to give you is something that you can start from the comfort of your home with small capital. So guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe and be part of this wonderful family. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me on this journey. So guys, let's dive right in. You see, the way things are going in this country especially, you don't even need a prophet to tell you that if you venture into anything that is in the food niche, you are going to make money. Like, before I proceed, I want to let you know that for 7 days I'll be giving out 7 great business ideas that you can start in the food niche. So it's going to be a 7 days content upload on food niche business ideas. So make sure that you do not miss out on any of these videos. Always watch, subscribe, and also share to your family and friends. The French fries business. Now, I'm going to be talking about it in 2 forms. The first one is French fries as a finished product, that is when it's fried. The second form is French fries as a raw product. Some of us that do not really understand what French fries is Irish potatoes. And guys, trust me, most of the French fries in the supermarkets are imported French fries. This is a business that you can start and make money, because French fries is something that most homes consume, especially in homes where you have children, because many parents are looking for something that they quickly prepare for their children to take to school, and that is where your French fries come in. French fries as a raw product is Irish potato that haven't been cooked or fried. They are just still in their raw forms. The only thing is that they have been sliced or cut. That's the way we see them in frozen shops or in the freezers of supermarkets and malls. You can start this business right from the comfort of your home with as little as 100k. You'll be needing few tools for this business. And now let me break down the things you need for this business. You will need knives, you will need cutters, you will need pouches, that is the Ziploc pouches, right? And I think you don't even need much for this business. So this is something that you can actually start comfortably. And of course, you can get sellers of Irish potato on Instagram. We have a lot of people that do this kind of businesses. Their own is to source this product and send to you, and there on their page you will see the prices of Irish potato. And I forget to add, you'll be needing a scale. Yes, a scale is the one you use for measurements. See, this is a business that you can start without needing any fancy thing. For now, you don't even need branded stickers, right? You can just get the plain stickers and write on the pouches. And those plain stickers, you can see them in markets like Ojota. If you're in Lagos, you go to these people selling Ojota market, selling packaging content. They sell all those unbranded stickers. Use your pen and do your branding by yourself. So you do not even need much. So you don't need so much hands for now, right? Because it's not as if you're even starting with a bag or something. You're starting with as small as 20 kg Irish potatoes. So when you get home with your Irish potato, or when you get it delivered to you, you do your peeling, you slice, you wash, you drain, and you package it. You just get pouches. Go to the market, you will see women selling these Ziploc pouches. Get some pouches. So like I said, for now, as a starter with small capital, you do not need to do all those branded stickers and all of that. Just do it low-key. In fact, there's a way you're going to plan this thing. If you already have things like cutters and knives, and you have some pillars and all of that, there's a way you're going to start, and it will even cost you up to 100k. Now, how do you sell this? Social media, your church members, family and friends, your neighbors. So starting a raw French fries business is something that you can do from the comfort of your home with small capital, and also is a business that is very lucrative. When I mean very lucrative, there is profit in this business. Remember that you are going to have sizes by size. You are going to have 1 kg, you're going to have 500 grams, you're going to have 2 kg and all of that. So even a bag of potatoes will be giving you a lot of profit. So if you're looking for something that you want to start as fast as possible before the end of the year, so I'll advise that you start looking into starting a French fries business. The second form of this business idea is French fries as a finished product. When I mean as a finished product, I mean fried, just the way we buy in fast foods and other places, right? Either with chicken, ketchup, dips, coleslaw, and what have you. These French fries as a finished food or as a processed food, you are going to be doing home delivery and office deliveries. You'll be delivering this food to people's homes, to people's offices. A lot of people love French fries, including myself. Starting, I'll advise that you start simple. And when I mean simple, I mean starting with something that you know that for now you're not going to feel overwhelmed. As long as you're serving French fries as a finished food, it needs to be paired with something. You have to figure out how you can start and what you can do. You can start with yaji. You can start with pepper sauce. Yes, you can start with pepper sauce. You can prepare pepper sauce in your house. Remember that for this particular one, this is where you'll be needing some kind of packaging plates. If you're someone that know how to recreate foods, you're someone that is very creative, then you're in for having so much patronages. If you do this and do it well, you're in for a home. In fact, you just started your home fast food business. Do you understand? It's either you call it home-based fast food business or you start your online fast food delivery business, whichever one you want to call it. Who is this business for? This business can be done by anybody. A stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, you're a student, or you even have your 9-to-5 work and you're looking for something that you want to use as a side income. You can be doing this on the weekends, especially if you're someone that does not work on the weekends, right? You can use this to do on weekends. Do you get? So this is a business that anybody can start, and it's a business that can be started with little capital. Because most of the things that you'll be needing for this business are things you already have in your homes. Food that is in high demand that all homes, every home enjoy snacking on. Whether you want to start it as an unfinished food or you want to start it as a finished food, whichever one you do in this business, you are going to make money from this business. So guys, that is all for this video on how to start a French fries business from the comfort of your home. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Thank you for sticking to the end and see you in my next video. Bye.